Hey guys, welcome back to FinLadder, and in today's video we'll be talking about the role of women in finance industry. But before getting started with this video, I know for a fact that I might be hurting feelings of some people. So I just want to say sorry. I want to apologize in the beginning of this video because definitely I'm talking about a sensitive issue and I might just be hurting someone's feelings. And someone might just be saying, Ki, who are you to talk about our issues? And I completely understand and I'm apologizing for that. Why am I talking about these issues? Because I realized I was going through a fact which said that only 4% women in the finance industry who are working for venture capitalists are partners. Like there are 96% people who are men and 4% people who are women. I checked in other industries, I checked for hedge funds. And in hedge funds, it's 10% women who are the managers, who are the partners in hedge funds, and again, 90% men. So I saw this trend and look at any managerial position. It's somewhere around 20% women representation and on the other hand 80% men representation, which means 1 out of 5 women's. Now that's bad. Then I tried to dig deep. मैंने बाकी videos देखे, बाकी Google search किया. I did not find much data. But I did my research and what I came up with was GMAT, which is an entrance test for USA. Usually India में भी काफी सारे लोग देते हैं. It has 47% women giving it and 53% men giving it. That means initial position पे college घुसने के लिए women are giving the exam. That's fine. GMAT के results उसके बाद I tried to analyze. वहाँ पे भी women are doing actually better than men. So I was like ठीक है. And then I tried to dig deep थोड़ा सा और. I realized that there are 45% women working in finance industry for the lower level jobs. So मतलब अगर हम lower level की बात करें, so it's 45% women and 55% men. Which means that यहाँ पे भी कोई खास problem नहीं है. I do understand that even that is a problem, but यहाँ पे भी कोई खास problem नहीं है. But when we look at upper managerial levels, it's a different story altogether. It's a completely men dominated society, it's a completely men dominated field. But why is that? I don't know honestly, but I tried to put my hypothesis together and I'll be talking about those things. And what can we do? What can FinLadder do to help this? I'll be talking about that as well. Okay, so one reason, which I, for one, think can be a major reason why there are not many women in finance industry, is because there is not a lot of representation. Like, think about it. When you think about the best traders or best investors of the world, what do you think of? If I ask you, who are the best investors of the world, what are the people who are coming to your mind? One would be George Soros, a guy. And apart from that, Warren Buffett, a guy. Who else? Charlie, Warren's partner, a guy. So any investor that you think of, and even if you Google it, top 10 investors, you'll find all of them to be guys. Then you dig deep, you look for other places, you look at mutual fund managers, you look at hedge fund managers, they'll be guys. And that for one can be a reason. Think about who is the father of investing. Benjamin Graham, again a guy. So that can be a reason why there are not many women who can find a role model for themselves. There are women. I'm not saying that there is absolutely no woman that can be a role model, but yes, that is a true thing. Like even if you just check YouTube right now, right? And on YouTube, you look for trading finance channels, I would say 60, 70, 80% content would come from guys. There's only Rachna ma'am that we can look up to. Apart from that, there are not many women YouTubers who are towards the finance industry. So that can be one major reason for less representation of women in finance industry. There are other reasons as well, and which are very inherent in the society itself. And it's not just specific to India. A world survey was taken as to how many people are comfortable with their finances. And in that, when you look at the demographics of adult men, it's somewhere around 70% men who are very comfortable with managing their finance, but only 12% women who are comfortable with managing their finance. So there are many other issues, many other inherent issues in our society. But what can be the change? I can only talk about changes that we can bring forth. There are many other wrong things that are going on. You could put up your things, whatever you think is important, whatever you think should be known to the world. You can put them up in the comment section. But what I can do from my end is try to give you things that would help you get a step ahead in the finance industry, because there are two things. One is called equality and the other one is called equity. And you guys would actually need equity right now. You guys would need a step ahead. And how can I actually help you with that? I have created a list of scholarships specifically for women. It would have more than 500, 600 scholarships. It would have different links, but that would include 500 to 600 scholarships. You can apply to as many scholarships as you can. No one's going to stop you. So if you want to see change in finance industry, you will have to be that change. There are options for you. There are positions for you to take. There are opportunities that you can grab. You just have to take a step forward. You go to the description of this video, you'll find so many scholarship links. I'll just keep on adding them. If I think that there are less, if anyone tells me that I've applied to 500 positions, I'll keep on adding there. But you will have to take the initiative on your own. You will have to look out for scholarships on your own. That's just one thing. The other thing that we can actually do is the other scholarship that there is CFA scholarship. CFA is considered to be the gold standards of finance industry, and they have started with their scholarship. It started day before yesterday. So you could apply for that scholarship. It's not late. You can apply right now, and you still have like 20 odd days to apply. So apply for that as well. Where a guy would be paying a fees of 1150, so somewhere around 1 lakh rupees, you might just be paying a fee of 28,000 rupees. So that's a very good thing for you. Do apply for CFA. If you wish to come towards the finance industry, apply for women's scholarship. Apart from that, there are many other scholarships. You will find all those scholarships in the description. Apart from that, there are initiatives run only to help women. And one such initiative is Girls Who Can Invest. Their only aim is to take this till 30%. The number that we started with, 4% and 10%. Their aim is to take these managerial positions till 30%, which I think is still low. Honestly, it's still low. It should be 50-50. If the population is 50-50, it should be 50-50. But still, that is an initiative that they have taken up. And I would be mentioning everything that they are doing in this initiative in the description of this video. Apart from that, there are other scholarships as well by Indian brands. You have Santoor giving sponsorships, you have Clinic Plus giving sponsorships, you have Dr. Reddy giving sponsorships, you have so many Indian brands also giving sponsorships. So I would mention those also in the description. These are just initiatives. This would help you in the first step, nothing more than that. And we do understand in the first step, there is not actually a lot of help needed. Because when we look at it from the lower end position, 47% women, that's fine. 47-53, that's fine. But then you guys will have to keep on continuing and growing in the industry so that you guys become your own role model and role model for other people. And I don't know what else I can talk about this issue, because we might just go on, and this issue might not just end at any point. But if I see good comments coming up on this video, I would actually take up these comments and talk about it. And I'll try to talk about it as much as I can, and I'll try to help as much as I can. Also, what you can do is text me on Instagram if you need any help at any place. We would be more than happy to help you in any way possible. But then I would want one help from you. And that is, please go to the comment section and write about the things that you feel are the reason why this is at 4% and this is at 10%. I would actually want to know from you guys, because I am absolutely the wrong person to be talking about this thing. I do understand that. But you guys are the right people. You guys are the right persons to talk about this. So please just mention whatever you feel like is the thing why you feel like this. And I would be more than happy to help you in any way if I can. And I would also try to do one more thing. I would try to find some job opportunities also that are specific for women. I'm not sure if I will be able to find those or not. Scholarships I've already found out. I've already made a list of them. I'll make a list and keep them in the description. No worries for that. But for jobs, I'm not pretty sure, but I'll try to formulate a list and put that in the description also. So that was it for this video. Do subscribe to FinLadder, and yeah, if you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me from here. Thank you so much for watching this video.